The Boating Adventure, Community Post, Channel Update number 40. Well, a very good morning to you. It is Thursday, the 3rd of August 2023, and welcome to the deck of the Swamp Duck. I've come over to the Swamp Duck today just to do a little bit of work in preparation for taking the boat out on Sunday. I have to have the boat at L.R. Harris for 9 o'clock on Monday morning, so that means travelling down the River Soar as far as I can on the Sunday, mooring up, getting up early on the Monday and try and get the boat at L.R. Harris for Monday morning. The reason for that is that they need to perform the first service on my new engine. After around about 20 hours it requires an oil change and just a check-up and tighten things up and that kind of thing. So what they said they will do is, whilst it's there, to make it easy for them to do the service, they're going to take the boat out of the water, and that will give me the opportunity to have a look at the state of affairs with the hull. So I can then sort of give it a bit of a clean and make up my mind as to whether it needs some immediate attention or whether I can perhaps take it out of the water a little bit later on in the year and do a fresh coat of anti-fouling on it myself. So today I'm just going to check things like make sure there's plenty of petrol. Now I have made the supply of petrol very easy for myself. An update to the petrol deliberations. What I've decided to do is to get rid of jerry cans that are all hanging around the deck and taking up room, and I have bought a twin fuel tank. So this is a proper Tohatsu fuel tank, same as the one that came with the engine, and that's just going to sit underneath here next to the first one. Hopefully I've measured it correctly. Yeah, there you go. So that will go in there, and that means that when fuel is getting low, it's just going to be a matter of taking the fuel line off that one and putting it on this one. Okay, so there we are, we've got the second fuel tank and there's the original, so it is just a matter of swapping the fuel line around and then taking a tank to a petrol station when we need it filling up, and that will make a lot simpler and neater system, and it can all hide behind this curtain on the deck, and it will save an enormous amount of room. When I came over to the Swamp Duck a few days ago, I did give the outside of the boat a jolly good clean, and I did the port side of the hull, and we've got all the gel coat cleaned up. So I need to turn the boat round today and just have a go at doing the starboard side. The sides of the boats do get incredibly grubby when they're going through locks, particularly some of the narrow locks that I encountered on my trip down to the Coventry Basin.
Could be ourselves, didn't have much but nevertheless we were true to each other, but now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me. with me, with me. We can turn this ship around, we can turn this ship around, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not care, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not care. I always knew we could do so many great things, so believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing, so hear me out. I know we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need, I feel that we can break free, we can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around, we can turn this ship around, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care, chasing all that we do not care, chasing all that we do not care, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not care, all the way back home.
I hope you've been enjoying my recent videos. They certainly have been of a varied nature, as we've travelled roundabout up and down the east and northeast coast of England, and we visited places like Bridlington and Whitby. And the video which is going out this Saturday, which is Saturday the 12th of August 2023, is of a visit that I undertook to the River Great Ouse, and I caught a boat and went on the river around about the city of Ely, and that was a really nice day out, and it made a very nice video. So hopefully you'll join me for that one when it goes out on Saturday the 12th of August 2023 at 8 AM. I'd like to thank you very much for all your support and for watching. I've just been looking at my viewing figures, and I've just topped the 97,000. So I reckon that within the next 3 or 4 weeks it should take the channel over the 100,000 views, which I find absolutely staggering and completely amazing. So thank you very much for everybody who's watched and supported, and I really have been enjoying conversing with quite a few subscribers who've sent me messages asking about various bits of information, or just saying that they've enjoyed the videos. So again, thank you very much for watching, and as always, do take care.